I've always wanted to do something a little bit more hands-on than what my sending school had to offer, so I thought I'd try it out, and I love it.
Design, engineering, and fabrication is the process of solving problems through manufacturing, coming up with solutions to challenges. I think it's exciting that students can meet and work with other students from many different high schools in the region. I think it's really neat that it's a half-day program. They can come and dive in and really kind of focus on whatever exciting class they're taking, but then go back to their high school and have this broad experience throughout their school day.
I love the fact that I get to be creative with what I do and be able to make something and have it come out and be able to use it and use it well. So it starts with all of us sitting around a table, and we all kind of just throw ideas out there, jotting down notes, making sketches.
They experiment with different solutions in computer models, 3D modeling, and then finally we'll create a solution, evaluate that solution, and hopefully try and improve upon that solution.
You do all the work on a computer, and then the machine does the rest of the work for you. And it usually comes out with like a finished product. I like being able to make my own projects and like design my own stuff, because I've never had like nothing and created something, and 3D printing is exactly that. Doing additive manufacturing is probably like one of the cooler things.
It's exciting to have designers from all different backgrounds and people who think differently. And in design, that's super important, that we're approaching challenges, ideas from a variety of different backgrounds, from a variety of different kind of ways of thinking. We encourage them to ask questions, and one of the things I like to tell students is don't ask somebody, is this good or not? Because you're just going to get a yes or no answer. So the question is, how do I make this better? And that really is that kind of prompt that invites somebody to give feedback.
So with all the ideas that get given at the table, sometimes somebody will throw out an idea and everybody's like, whoa, that's perfect, we'll do that. And sometimes it's more of a voting kind of thing, and you just do what majority wants. You can always go back to brainstorming phase. If you're on prototype that doesn't work, you can just go to some of the other ideas that you might have had before. A lot of people will reach out to our program and ask us to help fix a problem, and we'll try our best to fix it. And we'll work together as a team to be able to make the product come to life. I'm not the best with computers, but I easily learned how to use the programs that we are given, and I'm able to make product that I'm really proud of.
So it really is a process, from pencil and paper at the beginning to some brand new creation or invention. And then sometimes some of the things that we make in here are one-of-a-kind solutions. And it's fascinating to see what students come up with.
To learn more about our application process and programs, visit Burlington Technical Center today at btc.bsdvt.org.